Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I will be unboxing and reviewing the August Frizzle bag. I got it last month when they launched and I was head over heels with the amazing quality and designs of the jewelry and the sling bag they sent. So I got the August bag as well, and the best part is this time you can choose your own jewelry. So it is completely personalized bag now. Let's first open and see what I have received in my glitz bag.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the package has arrived. Let's unwrap it. At first we have a beautiful grey handbag or sling bag. It is of very good quality and I really like the color and design as well. It's pretty simple with this cute bow here and it has golden metallic joints and all. There is a handle here and we have one chain here, really good quality one, and this is the belt or the handle using which you can make it a sling bag or a handbag. This is a adjustable belt and it's actually very spacious too, and there is a zipper inside for smaller things. There are some pouches here where you can keep some of your stuff. It is definitely very spacious. You can carry all that you need inside this. They have a couple of other colors in this. One was purple and another a light brown color. So you can get the color of your choice till the stocks last. But I'm really happy with this one. All the jewelry again has come bubble wrapped. Coming to the jewelry, at first, let me show you this beautiful boho piece. This is a really heavy necklace and the design is really very pretty. It is an antique gold color and it has this mint color stone in between along with these feather hangings. It would look amazing on any plain or solid color top. This one is truly a statement piece. You can look all dressed up even if you just wear it with any simple top or dress. So adding just this, you can change your day or office look into night or party look. And nowadays I see quite some cheap boho pieces too, but this isn't like that. The quality of this is top notch. There are some other options available as well to choose from, but I definitely like this the most. Then we have another long chain necklace. The chokers were really pretty, but I feel they don't suit me much. So the one I chose is this antique gold finish necklace, and it is a very modern, trendy and edgy design. It has geometrical pattern with mint, pink and orange gems embedded in it, and at the end there are these chain fringe kind of things going on. I really like this one. It is very lightweight even though it seems so heavy, and the design and the pattern is everything is really very pretty and to my liking. Moving to the earrings, the first one is this big jhumki earring in rust gold. It has very intricate designs and again the quality seems really good. I like rusted gold or antique gold colors like this much more than golden color jewelry. Even though it looks so heavy, it isn't. It's quite lightweight actually and would look amazing with all ethnic wear. Wearing this you need not wear any necklace I feel, and I chose black because it would match many of my dresses and saris, but you can choose any of the options available. There are some options in oxidized silver jewelry as well. I think if some of you are married and wear Mangal Sutra, this is going to suit the Mangal Sutra so much because it has black beads like the Mangal Sutra. Then next I got another earring with multicolor beads in oxidized silver. This is an ethnic pattern, but I got it to wear with western or Indo-western outfits. Sometimes such jewelry pieces really complement western outfits and give a completely new definition to them. Adding these and a bindi will make any Indo-western outfit just perfect. But of course you can wear them with ethnic outfits as well. Here are some other options. I really like the one with black stone in antique gold finish. Moving on to the next product, we have a beautiful pair of hairpins. I have chosen the one with a very simple design. It has a stone in between and this ribbon pattern bow design. It's very cute and classy at the same time. This again is really good quality and looks very expensive. It is not completely golden, so will not look too gaudy. It has the rusted gold finish, so it would really look very nice on your hair. These are some of the other designs available. Then the last piece of jewelry is an earring again, and this is a very unique design. It somehow reminded me of the Egyptian pattern of jewelry, and the reason I chose this is because it could be used with ethnic as well as western wear. The design is very modern, which will suit any dress or frock or skirt or even girly tops, but it is intricate enough for ethnic wear at the same time. You can wear this with a suit, sari or lehenga, anything at all. So I loved how versatile this design is. It is not very heavy, but again a statement piece. I really like this too. And this particular earring would go with this neck piece, I feel. And there are some more choices in earrings which are displayed on the screen right now. There are some beautiful Afghan earrings as well in various colors and designs, and some really sophisticated workwear too. They also included this cute Rakhi on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan this August, which is really nice of them. Let's have a look at the cute card they have sent. They have sent it inside an envelope, which is really nice. Here it says the Glitz bag accessories makes everything better, and that is so true. Hey Sonam, thanks for your purchase. Your bag includes Jhumki worth $3.99. That would be this earring. The multicolor silver earring worth $1.99. This one right here. Then the black pearl golden earring is again for $1.99, which is this one. The long chain necklace is for $2.99 and the boho necklace is for $4.49. The bow hair accessory is for $1.99 and the handbag is for $7.49. So overall in the Glitz bag we have a handbag, 2 neck pieces, 3 earrings and a hair accessory, and the total worth of the products come to around 2,500, whereas the Glitz bag is priced at just rupees 13.49. There is an extra shipping of 100 rupees, but you can get a discount of 5% by using the code displayed on the screen right now, and this discount is valid on all the 3 bags, Shima Mini, Shima bag and the Glitz bag as well. In the Shima bag you will get a sling bag, and in Shima Mini you will get a clutch instead of the handbag. The Shima bag has a necklace, 2 earrings and a hair accessory apart from the sling bag, which add up to rupees 1500, and it is priced at $8.49 plus 75 for shipping. The Shima Mini has 2 earrings and 1 hair accessory along with the wallet for the price of rupees 5.49 plus 50 for shipping. Coming to the review of this bag, I am definitely impressed with the quality again. Very happy to get such a nice handbag, and I like the jewelry as well, especially because I could choose each and every piece. That makes Freezeal a much better option than any other jewelry subscription in the market. And I also like the fact that they cater to all budgets and provide the same quality and same pieces for choice in jewelry even for the budget subscription options. So definitely I'm very happy with this jewelry subscription and would recommend all of you to try it if you love jewelry. I'll leave all the details on how to place order along with payment options and discount code in the description box. Make sure you check that out and avail a discount while placing order. Let me know which was your favorite piece of jewelry in the comment section below, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It would make me really happy to know that you guys like the content in my videos. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. That is all you need to do to participate in the giveaway running on my channel. I have curated lovely hampers including makeup, skincare and jewelry worth ₹1000 each. So make sure you check that video. I'll leave a link to it in the description box again. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.